Good morning, Frey guys. So today is Monday, and I am going to my doctor's appointment for my ectopic pregnancy. I'm supposed to go in and just get like my incisions checked out and stuff, so that I don't have to just like telling me that I'm okay pretty much, and that I can go back to normal life and exercise and all that stuff. But anyway, I'm going to get Journey up. She's taking a nap right now. And then we're going to go pick up my mom. And I'm going to take them to my Nina's house. And then I'm going to go to my doctor's appointment. Then I'm going to go back to Nina's house. But I just wanted to tell you guys that everything's been going pretty good. I'm feeling really great where the surgery concerns. I still have like this head thing going on. But I think it seems to be getting a little bit better. What in the world? Hold on, I gotta show you my dog. He's just standing out there. He was looking up for the longest time. He's so pretty. It's raining, so he loves it when it gets rained or snowed on. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm gonna get Journey up, take them to my grandma's house, and then I will probably see you at my doctor's appointment. Probably before that. I don't know. So someone's upset because I said we were going to get Nanny, and she didn't realize we had to get in the car. We're going to Nina's, but it's raining. We can't just walk, so... And I have to go to my doctor's appointment, so... Anyway. Let's go get Nanny. Tuda.
Doodly I need a kiss and a hug. I haven't had a kiss. You better get over here. Ben said she's mad because she thought that they...
So, we... Inside, my Nina said, you could have pulled in the garage so you didn't have to get in the rain. I was like, oh, it's not raining that bad. It's raining pretty hard now. Wish I would have pulled in the garage. But I didn't, so here I go. Good thing my phone's waterproof, right? I hate driving in the rain too. So not fun, but I'm so ready to get this doctor's appointment over with. So here we go. I'm in the elevator going up.
Yes, say yes, Mama.
Mama.
Say I love you, Mama. Look at Mom. Look at Nanny. Look at Nanny. Talk to Mama.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Mama.
Potty.
Hi. Okay, so I'm headed out to the car. Sorry, I stopped. Somebody was walking by. I'm heading out to the car. Never got my information from the other hospital, which is super annoying. But he still got to do everything he needed to do. Getting in the car. But everything looks good. I have to go back in the morning for blood because they just could not get it for me today. But, oh, sorry guys. I was rocking out. But everything looks good. I'm gonna head to Nina's and see Sissy and Mom and Nina and eat lunch because I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything all day. But, okay. I'm gonna go see my girl. So I wanted to let you guys know too that I did get to go see my doctor that was my doctor when I was pregnant with Journey. And he was so awesome. He just kept hugging me and apologizing for everything that I've had to go through, because I've had to go through a lot of stuff. Did you have a good time at Nina's?
No.
Did you have a good time?
Daddy.
Yeah? What'd you do? What'd you do? So we're back at home now from Nina's, and yeah, we're just I'm gonna put Journey down for a nap, and I'm probably gonna take a nap because I'm so tired. But you ready to go take a nap?
No.
Yeah, she keeps saying no, but I know she's obviously ready for a nap. Can I have a kiss? Thank you. You blow them a kiss? Say night-night.
Night-night.
Okay, so Journey's up.
The bed.
Did you have a good nap? Ugh. Did you have a good nap? She ate some crackers and blueberries. You want to get down? Me and her are going to go and make the bed. Sean normally makes the bed, but he doesn't normally on Mondays, and especially on Mondays while I'm home all day, or most of the day, I like to make sure like the dishes are done and everything's done when he gets home, just because I'm off and I'm not doing anything anyway, so I might as well go ahead and make sure everything looks good. But this is what everything looks like right now. I just got to make the bed, and I've been sleeping in the chair because I have to sleep sitting up, or I cough a whole lot while I'm sleeping, so I just need to fold that blanket and stuff in the chair and just get the bed made and stuff so it doesn't look so bad. Okay, so going along with what I was saying before we started cleaning, I do also try to keep everything clean during the week. But when I have like a full daycare at the house, what are you doing? Don't touch all the remotes. Ah! She thinks it's necessary for her to touch all the remotes, even though she knows she's not supposed to. Anyway, when I have a full daycare, I don't always get a chance to make it back to the bedroom and do all the stuff in the bedroom. and take the time to do the dishes. But I always make sure the main living space and everything is clean. And Nala just barked. I think she thinks someone's here. So tonight for dinner, I bought yesterday at the store, or not yesterday, Saturday at the store, these fajita bags. And it says it makes 6 tortillas. And Sean said he's going to make nachos out of it, of course, because that's what he does. But I'm making that for dinner. It looks so good, and I'm excited to try them. I bought 2 bags, so I'm pretty excited about it. So my husband would be laughing at me right now, but as I'm cooking these stinking fajitas on the stove, the fire alarm is going off. Journey's a little bit scared, but I'm used to it. So I'm gonna try to turn it off. Dang it, I thought I got it. Okay, so I got it off. It's so ridiculous. I feel like every single time I cook. And the stinking fan is on the stove. So literally everywhere I've lived, this has happened to me. So it's not just this house, it's not just the apartment, it's not just the duplex that we lived in. Literally every place I've ever been in. So it's me. But I don't know what to do to fix it or change it or anyway. I'm gonna show you guys these fajitas because they look so good. Look at those fajitas. They look like not homemade. They look so good. And they smell So the fajitas also come with tortillas. So we don't have to even buy tortillas. I already had tortillas because I always keep for tortillas, but I just couldn't believe that pretty much an entire meal in a bag. We're gonna make like a cheese dip and get some salsa out and have some chips and salsa and stuff too, but it's really awesome actually. So dinner is ready and we're just waiting for Daddy to get home. We don't eat dinner till Daddy gets home, right?
No.
We don't pick your nose. Right?
Yeah.
We're just waiting, looking out the window, waiting for Daddy to come home. Okay, so you can probably can't hear Journey crying in the background, but I'm gonna show you all of our dinners. They're all 3 completely different. Here's Journey's. I just gave her like the mix and a tortilla and some blueberries. And then here's my fajitas.
So good.
And then here's Sean's nachos.
That looks delicious.
I know, it does look really good. Are you ready to eat? Are you ready to eat? No, you're not? Okay. Me and Daddy will eat. You want to eat? Okay.
Alright, let's go holler at Nala. Come on. Come here, sis. Come here. Say Nala. She's in.
Holler for her.
You holler, say Nala. Oh, there she is.
So we just put Journey down for bed. We gave her a bath and then we put her down for bed. And now we're watching The Bachelor. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell next to the subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.